to promise Mr. Ruto, we shall vote for you come 2027. This is a gesture that you have helped our people. Hello? Ati munasema mutapigia Ruto kura? Ati na amewapatia sub-county? Na amewaletea DC? Mimi kama Collins Anyanja Ayungu, I will vote for President Ruto for supporting this, our people. This one will never be scared. And I'll tell everyone where I go, I'll support Mr. Ruto for Tano Tena. Because if we want our sub-county, hello, tukitaka tupate constituency ingine, si lazima tu support Ruto. Si sub-county tumepata, wala ambao wanasema to support Ruto nione. Wala ambao wanasema wata support Ruto nione.